The Uniden Guardian App Cam Solo Bullet is a 100% wire-free, weatherproof, smart security Wi-Fi camera for outdoor use. Protect your property by deterring, recording and scaring off potential unwanted intruders with this leading surveillance device. Place the App Cam Solo Bullet outdoors anywhere you need watching, and rest assured your home, office or other property is safe and sound, day or night. Infrared night vision provides greater clarity in complete darkness, up to 10 metres. The App Cam Solo Bullet camera captures Full HD 1080p 2 megapixel video for clearer images and live streaming in more detail. The camera's wide viewing angle lens means you see and capture more of what's going on. You won't miss a thing. App Cam Solo Bullet connects to your Wi-Fi spot, and setup is simple, allowing you to view vision on your smartphone or tablet from anywhere in the world. Motion detection recording means vision can be recorded for future use to a removable micro SD card. Plus, it can be backed up to the Uniden Cloud for off-site storage and viewing. The App Cam Solo Bullet features Thermo Sense Technology, a smart heat and movement sensor that detects movement from people as opposed to motion from trees and other objects. This feature allows you to receive notifications from actual events, giving you the ability to act quickly and call the police when needed. When triggered, the camera sends a smart alert, allowing you to see and hear what's happening from wherever you are. Check and see if there's any security concerns, such as unwanted trespassers, a break-in or burglary. A two-way talk feature means you can listen and talk back in real time, and a siren alert trigger activates a siren with the touch of a finger, scaring off unwanted intruders. Smart alerts to the camera are customizable so that you can recall your own personalized alerts when motion is detected. Low battery notifications are automatically sent once capacity drops to 10%, allowing plenty of time for a recharge. You can extend your Uniden Guardian App Cam Solo Bullet battery operating time with a Uniden Solar Panel. The solar panel provides non-stop power during daylight hours, is completely weatherproof and easily installed, featuring a 360-degree mount that ensures positioning for maximum sunlight exposure. Place the Uniden Guardian App Cam Solo Bullet outdoors without worrying about the weather. Its innovative weatherproof design means the camera can be used anywhere and adjusted to cover any area. Designed specifically with Australian properties in mind, the App Cam Solo Bullet is part of the Uniden Guardian App Cam 100% wire-free Full HD 1080p smart security camera range and comes with a 2-year local warranty. Give yourself peace of mind with one of the most efficient surveillance cameras on the market, sure to suit any home or business. The Uniden Guardian App Cam Solo Bullet. Monitoring and securing your home or business has never been so easy. Uniden, we've got you guarded.